Hi viewers, welcome to SEKHAR'S Bio Factory for NEET. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get notification. In this video, I am going to explain some of the general characters of phylum Mollusca. In the name Mollusca, molluscus means thin-shelled organisms. The organisms which consist of thin calcareous shell around their body, these are kept under phylum Mollusca. So most of these members having smooth and soft body without any segments called unsegmented animals. Some of the example for this phylum like phyla is also called apple snail. Pink Tada is also called as a pearl ester. Cephia is also called as cuttlefish. Loligo is also called as squid. Octopus is also called devilfish. Aplysia is also called as a sea hare. And Dentalium is called tusk shell. And Chaetophlura is also called as chiton. So these are some examples belongs to phylum Mollusca. The general character of phylum Mollusca is, in entire animal kingdom, Arthropoda is the largest phylum. After this Arthropoda, the second largest phylum in Animalia kingdom is Mollusca. So most of these members are growing in terrestrial or aquatic environment. In case of aquatic members, they are growing in either marine water or fresh water. So all these members having organ system level of body organization to perform different functions. In the structure of their body, the presence of calcareous shell around unsegmented body is the most important characteristic feature of mollusca members. In their body, the unsegmented body can divide into three distinct parts. In this, the first part is called head, the second part is called muscular foot. It helps to attach to the substratum. The third part is called as visceral hem, is also called visceral mass. So these are the members showing bilateral symmetry. So with this bilateral symmetry, the organism can divide into two equal halves with one plane which pass through their central axis. And these are the members belongs to triploblastic animals. So all their body parts are developed from three germ layers. And in their body, it consists of body cavity is called coelom and belongs to coelomate animals. In the structure of their body, so there are three parts: head, muscular foot, and visceral mass or visceral hem. So it is the visceral mass or visceral hem in their body, and this visceral hem, it is covered by a soft and spongy layer of skin, and this spongy layer of skin, it form a special structure is called mantle. So this mantle is present around visceral hem. It is the most important characteristic feature of mollusca members. This mantle, again, it is covered by calcareous shell around their body. We can observe there is a space in between visceral hem and a mantle. So this cavity is called as mantle cavity. So in this mantle cavity, we can observe some of the feathery like structures called gills or ctenidium. So these gills or ctenidium present in mantle cavity to perform some of the functions like respiratory function and excretion function. The process of respiration and excretion is performed by gills present in mantle cavity. Along with this, these members consist of a copper containing respiratory pigment is called hemocyanin for respiration. In the structure of their body, especially the head region on anterior side, it consists of sensory tentacles. So these are called sensory tentacles, and these sensory tentacles consist of eye spots. And one of the important character feature of all mollusca members is in head region it consists of mouth, and inside of this mouth it contains a file like rasping organ. It is called radula. So presence of radula is the one of the another important character of mollusca members. This radula it helps for rasping of food materials. Whenever the mollusca members are present on solid food surfaces, from mouth it can release radula on their food surface, and it can perform rasping process, and it break that solid food into small particles, then it will taken into their body as a food. It is the main function of radula. Presence of radula is the most important characteristic feature of all mollusca members. These members can perform sexual reproduction. During this, in mollusca members, both male and female individuals are separately present, called dioecious. During sexual reproduction, they can perform transfer of male gametes from male individual to female individual, and after fertilization the fertilized egg it lay in the form of eggs outside of their body are called oviparous animals. So in most of the mollusca members, the developmental process is indirect development and with larval stage. These are the important characters of mollusca members. Presence of calcareous shell around their body, presence of radula, presence of mantle and mantle cavity with hairy or feathery gills to perform respiration and excretion, and presence of three body parts like head, muscular hem, and visceral mass. These are the important characteristic feature of all mollusca members. Thanks for watching.